Hello friends, Sheila here with Hallmark Remodels and Drywall Builders, back at our job site again today, Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 19. Oh, we've got some really good progress. I've got so many areas to walk you through, so we're gonna do a quick walkabout. We're going to start here in the master bathroom. So all the tile work's been done. Our template for these shower glass doors has been completed, and now the drywall has been touched up so that it fills in all the gaps around our arched opening. But doesn't it look so good? Oh my goodness, I just love that. Our master bedroom, paint's all done. Our fabulous cape-wearing superhero Kenny is working on these barn doors, getting the hardware put on. Our barn door is going to hang over the opening for this bathroom, so that'll be a nice complement to the space. Oh, it's going to be so nice when it's done. So we had our arched windows go in, so they've done the drywall texture touch-up around those, and we got our beautiful fireplaces put in. That's going to look so good once the tile work is done and the mantles are put on there. We worked through the kitchen, got a bunch of the work done in the kitchen. Our refrigerator's there hanging out. She is a big girl. Oh my goodness sakes, she is so big. But she's going to look fantastic in this space. This kitchen is just going to be gorgeous once it's finished. In this Arizona room, they've covered the floor so that they could paint the walls after the touch-up. But it looks so good in here. So good. Doing a little bit of work. Here's our other fireplace. Oh man, just knocking it out of the park over here we are. Okay, so now I'm going to give you another angle on the kitchen. Oh, such a great space. Friends, thank you for being here on this journey with us. We so appreciate it. For Coffee and Construction, episode 19 in Tempe. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.